Hello, so the story continues. This is the fourth episode, and we are left with the final episode. So, guys, if you missed out any of these episodes, please, then I don't think you really want to make your own charcoal, because this follows a step and you just don't want to miss any episode, guys. That is why I want to make the video very simple and understanding, so that it will be easy for you to watch the video. And I break this video into episodes so that it wouldn't be boring when watching this video. So if you've missed any of this video, guys, go back and go and check it.
Also to me take it 1 week and also to me take 1 week.
1 week now.
So guys, are you observing what I'm seeing here? Did you observe the last episode and currently what is happening here? The wood has reduced, yeah, and it signifies one thing, that our charcoal is produced. So we have this big wood on top that is so strong and very stubborn that it doesn't want to break down, but we are going to see what we can do to help it break down to charcoal, and that is why we are putting more sand on it to break down.
Baby, I want to cook from morning. That's come on the door. Time let me get a minute and dance a cell phone. That's the man. I hear we are in the bend and all what. No, what's up? Some man. It's not one. It's not one other. Come out good. For us at now, we yet to where you have to put in a time back to. It's not a way where I am there. And your crowd time back. Let them back. At least more than the camera. What time? Where 157. Yeah.
What do you do?
Come on,